Hello guys, this is Jawad. I hope you are all doing well, and today I'm going to show you how to create a signature for your emails, like an internal signature for your employees and an external signature for your customers. Okay, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go ahead and I just created a fake email address, so we can start working on it. So you start your Outlook, you simply go to your files, all right, click in options, all right, you go click on mail, and right here you can see create or modify signatures for messages. So you click on this, all right, and you can start. Let me just create the one I have created before. So all right, so I click signatures, and the first thing you need to do is to create a signature category. All right, you type in here, for example, we want to create a signature for our employees inside the company. All right, I type intern and okay. So you can just simply start typing inside this field by saying best regards Jawad. You can select them, change the font, the size, if you want to have a bold or underline or italic, you can change the color here. Okay, whatever color you want, you can simply add it here. And the rest of the stuff you might know, centralize and stuff like that. You can link the signature maybe to your website or so. Or if you have a already created email signature photo, like this one. So I have created one. So I just downloaded this photo from the Bing search engine. So we're just going to use this. All right. You copy this simply. You copy the image, and you go to your Outlook, and you simply paste it by pressing Ctrl and V, and you simply paste it right here. Okay. And you can also decide here whether you want to respond to emails which you received with that signature or without. All right, and or maybe if you want to create a new email, do you want to have the email the signature already inside it or not? Okay, so that's all your decision. Once you click OK, so let's create a new email. So as you can see, the signature is already here. Okay, the signature is already pasted here. And if you have multiple signature here, you can simply go up right here and click signature. To create a new one. We create a new one like extern. Like I say, best regards, Jawad. For example, CEO, and I paste the signature logo, and I kind of change the color to red so we can see the difference. Okay, and okay, so here you can change the signature. I want to send an email, for example, to a customer, so I choose my external signature. Here you go. You have the signature right here, or we can just switch between. You can either use the shortcut, or you can simply go to File and then Option. Come right here and select the signature. Okay, yeah, that was it. Very quick, short, and effective. So hope you like it. If you like it, please go ahead and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.